The death of former HNLC leader in a raid conducted by the Meghalaya police on the morning of 13th August 2021 had aroused mixed reaction from all age groups. It may be reminded that following the incident, members of the public had taken to the streets to sympathize with the family of the deceased and to condemn the atrocities allegedly committed by the police that led to the death of Cheristafil Thangkheo. While expressing their anger at the alleged killing of the former General Secretary of the HNLC, a group of unidentified young men encountered a police force at Wahumkhrah outpost and seized some firearms and a vehicle used by them. After having driven through the streets of the town while also brandishing the seized weapons, the youth set ablaze the stolen police vehicle at JAIAW and started shouting slogans against the government and for the proscribed local outfit, the HNLC. Following this, the police department as well as the state government and local headmen of Maulai had urged upon the young men to return the firearms and also assured them of discretion as far as their names are concerned. Meanwhile, the police department had received a copy of a letter stating the location of the hidden firearms that had been used by the unidentified youth. Following the clue mentioned in the letter, the police, along with the search and rescue team of the Fire and Emergency Services Unit and accompanied by the headman of JAIAW LAITDOM DORBAR SS KHARBANGAR, rushed to the UMPOHLIEW bridge over Wahumkhrah River in JAIAW to look out for the firearms hidden beneath the bridge. And it was with minimum effort and in a short span of time that the search and rescue team on the morning of 23rd August 2021 were able to recover the weapons from the particular location.
Yes, we have done it.